Thunder header pipe for Harley Davidson. Brand new from Thunder header. And as you can see here, they did not finish the weld. They only did the top half. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish that up because there's an exhaust leak and it's frustrating when you spend over $1,000 on something brand new and it doesn't work. So we're gonna go ahead and weld this up and get it running. All right, first thing we're gonna do is clean out the inside of the pipe so it makes the weld easier. You can see it cleans it up real nice. And hopefully that'll make the welding process a lot easier. Now we're going to take a gray wheel and finally touch this thing up. That'll work. As long as I don't get something more on here. Okay, if you get a set of these Thunder headers, before you use them, check the welds and finish them off. There's a lot of sitting there. Made it a little difficult. But overall, it turned out really nice. Hey guys, please hit like, please subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching LJ Off-Road and Hot Rod Mods.